Hi, and thanks for tuning in, guys. We're going to do a brief demonstration and a brief video today of how to set PaperCut using the print release system to allow users to release their print jobs immediately upon login. We've been asked this question by a couple of our partners and a couple of our channel team regarding how in this situation with Corona and COVID-19, how we can make print release touch free. So what we've got is a demonstration or a very, very brief video from one of the PS teams on how to set up users' print jobs on login. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through the configuration from a PaperCut point of view, and this does require that you have PaperCut MF set up, and it can also work along with a card reader release system as well. Obviously, if you want to make this 100% touch free, then you can configure, say for example, the Elatec card readers that you have plugged into the devices to be accepting cards from a larger distance, so they don't actually need to physically touch the card to the reader to authenticate to the device. So you can actually increase that range from the card reader. Specifically, we work with Elatec card readers, and obviously we know we can do that with the Elatec card readers. If you do have another manufacturer of card reader, then you would have to investigate that yourselves. But this is going to be specifically using the Elatec card readers and the ability to actually increase that range for the cards to be read. So once they've authenticated with a card reader, then we can actually configure PaperCut to release the user's print jobs when they log in. So you don't actually physically have to touch anything on the screen of the machine or the device. So what we're going to do is we're going to launch into the video now and just show you from a configuration point of view how to get this set up from PaperCut. So as you can see, we do have a basic PaperCut setup on this particular system, and if you go to the PaperCut login screen into the admin console, which is being displayed for you on the screen, log in with your admin credentials. You will be able to see the admin dashboard. Go down to the devices tab, click on the devices tab, and then click on the device that you want to configure. Obviously we only have one setup for the demo, but this is just a demo device. This would look the same for any device that you would have set up. Here you just need to check that the external device settings are set up and that you have card authentication enabled. Scroll down to the print release settings and you will see an option right at the bottom which is automatically release jobs upon login. Once that button is selected, as soon as the user logs in, the print jobs will be released. Once you've applied that, obviously go back to the admin screen and you can log out from the admin console. Now obviously, as we said before, this is utilizing a card reader infrastructure, and if the customer doesn't have that particular setup, then you would need to look at other options. However, if you do have card release enabled within the devices, so if you have a card reader on the MFD and the ability to use the PaperCut embedded screen, then this can be applied for you. If you do require any further information, then you can get in touch with us at sales@selectech.com, or you can message us on one of our social platforms. But this has just been a brief video on how to set up completely touch-free printing whilst utilizing PaperCut MF embedded and a card reader as well. If you want any further information, as we said before, then please do get in touch and we'll be happy to help. Thanks very much for watching and stay safe.